In today's video, I am going to teach you how to blog on Squarespace 7.1. To get started, log into your Squarespace account and open your website dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your site, including pages, design, and content. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Website, or Pages depending on what you see in your version of the interface. This will take you to the section where your site structure is organized. Next, find Main Navigation. This is where the primary pages for your website are listed. Click the plus icon next to Main Navigation, and then choose Blog from the available options. Squarespace will add a blog page to your site, and this creates the area where all of your blog posts will live. If you are setting up a blog for the first time, this is an important step because it creates the blog collection itself, not just a single post. Once your blog page is in place, open the blog panel and look to the top right corner. Click the plus icon there to create a new blog post. This opens the editor where you will build your post. Start by entering your blog title in the title field. Make the title clear and relevant so visitors immediately understand what the post is about. After that, add your content to the body of the post using content blocks. Squarespace uses blocks, so you can build your post in a flexible way. You can type text, and depending on your needs, organize the content neatly within the editor. Take your time here to make sure the post is easy to read and well-structured. When your main content is ready, click the Blog Post Settings icon, which looks like a gear in the top right corner. In this area, you can add important details that help organize and present your post. For example, you can upload a thumbnail image, write an excerpt, and add tags or categories. These settings can improve how your blog appears on your site and make it easier for readers to browse related content. Finally, when everything looks good, go to the top left corner and click Publish if you want the post to go live right away. If you would rather have it appear later, choose Schedule instead and set the date and time you want. That covers everything you need to know.